on, guys? We got 26-inch wheel that we need to mount on this 2020 Denali. We're gonna put a 295/30 26 in the front and 305/30 26 on the back. They kind of stagger. The back is set of lips. And my boy CG Forge, he's gonna swap the sensor.
The GMC Denali in the shop. About to mount on some 26-inch Corleone forged wheels on. Yeah, they're already. She needs to be washed up just a little bit, but I'll show you all the wheels here in a second. Yeah, some 26s. Staggered setup. 5-inch lip in the back, 3-inch lip in the front. Brush with black accents. It's one of our newer designs, 2023. Got to lube up the wheel so the tire goes right on. حميم الشركة. Got me wet, man. Slinging that lube all over the place.
I want to finish it fast.
Yep. Out with the old, in with the new 6s, man. Y'all know how we do. One down, 3 to go.
Ilham, just put it here, bro. Aire.
Hey. Yeah. Huh?
Hey,
The best tire technician.
Hey, which one? Back one, front one?
We don't know.
Go ask Lele.
He put them on them 26 like nothing.
Which chingon, bro?
Chingan. That's it. That's how he done it. Easy breezy.
This is my new guy. He from Pakistan.
Yeah, Pakistan, the Russian guy, man.
Yeah.
Big dude.
What are you doing, G?
Just air, I'm just putting air on the
Okay.
not the new. And then we go and balance to the next.
You have a nice muscle today, bro. What happened?
Man, I've been working out, man.
You're working hard on? You go gym?
Working hard, man. Don't make me working hard.
Good job, G. Gotta put it air. All of it is done. Just we need a balancing. If you finish it, we balance it. G, come here. Let me finish it, bro.
Let me show you how to put air.
Okay. Look, if it.
Hey, you see it sticking around here?
Yeah.
The wheel?
Uh-huh.
You see it sticking around the wheel. You just take that bar and
Okay.
you put it right, and then you just lift it.
You need a muscle for this or no?
Huh?
You need a muscle too or no?
You need a little muscle.
Loud.
You see? That's it. That's how he does it.
Good job, G. Good job.
Tell him what to pay me for, man. And time to balance them. You know what I'm saying?
You working for hard, bro.
Yeah, working hard.
You looking for a job, man? You finish this fast.
Yeah, we knocked this down like in 20 minutes. Not even 20 minutes, right?
Start right now. Yeah.
G. A ver, ¿qué?
Hey, cigar is not good for you, man.
Hey, you put it all in 40? Okay. Look. 0, bro.
0. Finally, my boy said he's putting the tire on now. Damn. Those 5-inch wheels, those 5-inch lip, they look bigger. Isn't it, yeah?
Huh?
The lip look bigger.
Yeah, just go back.
Yeah.
Kiss me that.
Are you gonna lower that bitch?
Yeah, I already got the drop for it. I gotta go lower.
Go take it.
Man, he need to drop a little bit. He got lower gaps. You know what I'm saying? Shizzy!
Hey, I'm just getting one video and that's it, alright?
You'll get a better one. I'm gonna drop it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop this probably Monday, and I'm gonna bring it back.
Oh, okay, cool.
I have it washed and everything, man.
Where are you dropping it at?
My cousin's doing it.
Oh, you got somebody
Yeah,
to do
my
it?
cousin does it.
Yeah, I know some people that do it too. I just thought you were gonna go through it like a vendor or something.
Nah, my cousin does all mine.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit look good.
Yeah, once I drop it, I'll bring it back by.
Alright.
But you still have to do my floating cap.